All right, friends. So, welcome to Aamantran. Aamantran is an invitation management solution that is used for weddings, engagements, baby showers, housewarmings, or any corporate event to send invitations. In this video, I will explain to you how to use Aamantran and how you can take advantage of the benefits of sending digital invitations. I'll cover everything in this video. Stay with me till end, and by the end of this video, you will realize and understand how to use Aamantran. Alright, let's go and get started. So, if you are a web user, someone who's using a laptop or computer, you need to open Google Chrome on your computer and type www.aamantran.app. Similarly, if you're a mobile user and you don't have a computer or laptop, that's absolutely fine. You can open Google Chrome on your mobile device and type www.aamantran.app in Google Chrome. So that's how you open Aamantran.app on your laptop or your mobile device. Once you arrive on this page, I'll explain a little bit about what Aamantran offers, and then I'll show you how to register and how to log in. Okay, so this is a simple workflow that Aamantran offers. It allows you to add guests, review guests, upload guests, and create invitation cards. You can create events, send invitations to all your guests, and track the RSVPs. RSVP means tracking which guests are attending your event and which ones are not. Okay, the core features of Amantran are guest list management, invitation management, and RSVP tracking, right? Moving forward, let me explain the pricing model that Amantran offers. Okay, so there are two packages that Amantran offers, Amantran Lite and Amantran Pro. So what is the difference between these two? With Amantran Lite, you can create unlimited events, create or upload two invitation templates, and send 1000 automated messages via WhatsApp using Amantran's AI robot, which is completely free for you in this package. Okay, to use this AI robot for sending messages, you need a computer or laptop device. That's the dependency. Moving to the next package, Amantran Pro. Again, you can create unlimited events, you can create two templates, and you can send 200 messages. These messages or invitations will be sent through the Meta WhatsApp Business API, so you can handle everything from your mobile phone. You do not need a laptop, but if you use a laptop for hosting an event, that is preferable because you need a bigger screen to manage your guests and send invitations. It's better to use a laptop or computer when sending invitations, but you can also use the entire application from your mobile web browser or the mobile app. Right now, let's get started with registration or login. If you're a new user, you can go ahead and get started. If you're an existing user, you can go and log in. So for now, I'll go ahead and register as a new user. I have entered my information and I'm just creating an account, so I will wait for it to create an account for me. It's saying that an OTP has been sent to the email ID I used to create the account. So let me go to my email and I'm just copying that OTP and entering it back into the Amantran login screen. So I'll copy this. I will paste it here and click on create account. So the moment I enter this OTP and create the account, it should take me to the login screen. So now I'm logged in. As soon as I register and log in, it asks me for my mother tongue. Amantran offers almost all the languages spoken in India as regional languages. So for now, I will select Gujarati as my regional language because I want to send all the invitations in Gujarati. If you want to send an invitation in a different regional language, you can select that particular language. Moving on, it is asking me for the country code. So that's the country code for India. The reason we are capturing the country code here is that when you create your guest, that country code will be auto-selected, but you can also change that country code if you want to when creating a guest. In the next step, it is asking me for the PIN code number. This is just to capture, the area where you belong. Basically, if you need any service related to photography, weddings, or even related services, we can suggest our vendors to you. Right, so I'll enter my PIN code here and move on. Okay, so this is showing me the package information. For now, I have just completed a fresh registration, so I do not have any package. So before going into the package, let's go and choose the plan.
So, as I mentioned, there are two types of plans: Aamantran Lite, which offers you unlimited event creation, two templates, uploads, and auto messages with the help of the Aamantran.app AI robot, and these will be sent from your personal WhatsApp.
This uses the business API, so the WhatsApp Meta API will be used to send all these invitations. You do not need a computer or laptop. Okay, these are the extra services. If you want to purchase them, you can do so. For example, if you want to add 3 invitation cards, you would purchase one more here. So 2 plus 1 more. For example, if you want the Aamantran.app team to design an invitation card for you, then you may select this. Our executive will contact you and design the card for you. If you want us to design a video, you can choose this service. If you want more than 1000 messages, then you can select however many messages you want. If you're using a meta package and you want more messages, then you can purchase as many messages as you need. So for now, I'll go ahead and purchase this particular package. From the guest screen, you can create a guest. I'm adding a guest here and I'm typing a name. Let's say the guest name is this. I'm adding a guest here, and as soon as I add the guest here, it will convert it to the regional language that I selected during registration. And as you can see, I just press the tab and it is typing it in the regional language. You can select a category such as family, friend, colleague, or whatever and enter the number of people in their family. So if there are 5 people and you are inviting that guest with their whole family, then 5 people are going to join your event. This way, you can make arrangements for accommodation, food, and everything else accordingly. Alright, let's say I'm adding a city name here and creating the guest. So the guest has been created. You can add more guests from here. You can also do bulk import or export. So if you have an event in a village and you want to import all the guests from another event, you can ask that user for the Excel file and import it here. Or you can even give your guest list to another user. So that's how you can import or export guests, or you can manually create guests. Once you've created all the guests, you can create an event group. An event group is basically a group that you will use to send invitations at the time of the event. So I'm creating a group, let's say house inauguration, and it's a type of inauguration, okay? And I just create it. I'll select all these guests and assign them to this particular event group. So it's telling me that I am adding them for a total of 4 guests, and the total number of all the family members of these guests is 15. Okay, and that's it. I mean, you've created your guests, you've created your event group, and next is the invitation, right? So for now, there is no invitation template created. You can create a template from here. I clicked on browse and I'm browsing for the invitation template that I have.
It'll upload the invitation template, and I'm adding a dynamic field to write the name in a specific place.
So I'm just naming it as a house inauguration template and I just upload this particular template. So the template is uploaded. It can be any type of template. It can be a PDF, it can be a video, or whatever you need for your wedding or any type of event. For now, I'll just save this layout and move forward. So now I have a layout or template created. I have guests and an event group created. And next, what you need to do as a host is create an event. So the moment you go into the events section, it will show you all the events you have created so far. This is a brand new demo account, so there are no events yet. Let's go ahead and create an event. Okay, so here it is asking you for the event name. So I'll say it's my house inauguration. What is the date of your event? So I'll select a date, let's say some future date, and I'll add a venue. The venue will be whatever location your event is being held at. Next, you select the group. This will show you how many guests you are inviting, and you can invite an entire family or just one person. Based on your relationship with the guest, you go ahead and select the template. When you select the template, It'll open up the same template that you created here, and you can adjust the height and width of the name depending on where you want the name to be displayed. Here, I am selecting where the guest name should be printed, and I can change the color to see how it will look. For example, if I want to display it in red, I just select the name or set the color accordingly in the design. And then next, right? So here, it allows you to write whatever message you want to send to your guests. So I'm writing this message. These are all dynamic fields that you can change. So there are two things here, auto message and meta message. These messages will be sent from your personal WhatsApp, so you can write whatever you want here. As for Meta, I currently don't have any balance. But if you are sending a Meta message, then it is sent from the WhatsApp Business API, and there'll be a specific message template which you can type here. But in the case of an auto message, you can type whatever you want. The RSVP link is a link where your guests can respond. For example, whether they are attending your event or not attending your event, and they can also use the message from there, right? So that's all about creating an event. As soon as I add the event, it'll redirect you to the event page. You can download AI WhatsApp Sender Robot from the Aamantran app, which will send messages for you from your personal WhatsApp. Okay, so I have downloaded the WhatsApp Sender, extracted it, and now I'm just opening the Aamantran AI robot of WhatsApp Sender. Okay, so again, it'll ask you for your login credentials. You just select your email login. It'll send an OTP to you. Go to your email and look for the OTP. I take this OTP and enter it here. It will log in and show all the events you have created so far. It shows that you have sent to 0 people, fair to 0 people, and pending to 4 people. I select this event because I want to send all the invitations to my guests. So as soon as I select that event and move forward, it will extract all your guests and you can start sending WhatsApp messages. So as soon as you click on start, this AI sender will begin sending the invitation messages to all your guests and it will look something like this. Okay, this is the invitation we've been sending from WhatsApp sender. It will print the name and your guest will be able to see your invitation. They can also respond to your RSVP link from here. They open link from here and it will speak. Dear Jitendra Shah, you are warmly invited to my house inauguration on the 7th of July 2026 in Ahmedabad. We'd be happy to have you with us on this special occasion. Once your WhatsApp sender has sent all the messages to your guests, you can view the delivery report from here. Basically, you can go to your event list and see the guest list, and it will open all the guest information. This indicates that the message has been sent, and for some reason, this one has failed. You can resend it, and you can track the RSVP here.
It shows that this particular guest is going to join.
They still have not responded yet. That's how you can track how many guests are joining, how many deliveries, and how many messages have been sent for the invitation. And if something fails, you can handle it manually. As I mentioned earlier, if you want to use Aamantran.app from your mobile, you can do so. Just use Google Chrome, go to login, and you can log in from the web browser. If you want to download the app, which you can get from the Play Store, there is an Aamantran app available. You can download and use it. So it's the same thing I showed you on the web, but this is the mobile app version for Aamantran. And here you can see my invitations, my guests, everything you've created, my templates, the templates you've made, my events, all the events you've created so far, you can access them here. You can track your events or invitations from the mobile app as well, and you can also see if someone has invited you. Then here it will show you your invitations, which you can link with Google Calendar. And that's how you can keep track of what invitations you have and everything else. Events you need to join or don't need to join and all that stuff. Yeah, so that's it. That's all about Amantran. You can start using it from today. Go and register and start using the Amantran app. Enjoy sharing digital invitations. Thank you.